Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be starting with the chapter Lines and Angles. I hope you've drawn the mind map and gone through the PPT very carefully. Now, the day is Wednesday, the period is second, the day it is 15/7/2020. First, we'll do the demonstration of angles. See, I have to tell you what properties you will be using in this chapter. Linear pair. A single line is there, a line is cutting into two parts, x angle, y angle, x plus y is equal to 180. This condition is linear pair. Here also you can see straight line, a line is cutting, dividing two angles, x and y, condition linear pair. Line is there, a line is cutting, angles will be vertically opposite angles. Angles are vertically opposite angle. In the very first question you will be using it. Two parallel lines are there, a transversal is cutting them, the interior angles are alternate interior angles. Angle x is equal to angle y. Now, straight line, a single line and a line. The sum of all the angles is 360. The sum of all the angle is 360. Question number 3. You will be using all these properties in questions now. Come back to the questions. Question number 1 says, angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 and BOD is 40. I'm solving this question in front of you in this figure only. Look at it very carefully. If it is 40, it will also be 40. Vertically opposite angles. Got it? AOC is 40, but AOC plus BOE is given as 70. If I'll put AOC as 40, I will get BOE as 30. First thing what they have asked, BOE. I have come out with the answer. BOE is 30. Now reflect COE. It is a straight line having three angles. This. It is a straight line having three angles. This and this. Yes or no? By adding all three angles by the straight line property, see, this I have got it 30. Straight line property. Added three of them. But AOC plus BOA is 70 given in the question. Here, put it here, bring it here. COE is 110. They have asked reflex COE. Remember in life, if you want to find reflex of any angle, just subtract it by 360. Subtract it by 360. This is reflex COE. Okay. Question number 2 says, it's a straight line having three angles, 90, A and B, but A and B are in the ratio 2:3. We have to find this C also. Now XOY is a straight line, XOY is a straight line, A ratio B is 2:3, A is equal to 2x, B is equal to 3x. A plus B plus angle POY is equal to 180 because it's a straight line. Reason you will write straight line. So 2x plus 3x, 5x plus 90 is equal to 180, 90 will go this side. 5x is equal to 90, x is equal to 90 upon 5, x is equal to 18. Now A 2x, 2 into 18, B 3x, 3 into 18. Now MON is a straight line. MON is a straight line. See, MON is a straight line. Linear pair is condition is formed. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180, or you can say straight line also. Both the options are correct. 54. The B was 54 plus C is equal to 180. 54 will go this side. Angle C is equal to 126. Got it? Both the questions. Now see question number 3. In the given figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. PQR is equal to PRQ. Both the angles are equal. We have to prove PQS and PRT is equal to PRT. Both the outside angles. Now see. Angle PQS plus PQ is equal to 180 linear pair. PQS, PQR. The condition is suitable, that is linear pair. Again PRT plus PRQ is equal to 180 linear pair. Straight line is cutting. But what is given in the question, PQR is equal to PRQ. If I'll place PRQ in place of PQR, PRQ in place of PQR, both will be same. If I subtract this will cancel out. 180 minus 180 will cancel out. What will be left? PQS is equal to PRT. Got it? Now again see, PQR is equal to PRQ. Put here PRQ. Okay? Now it is a PRQ, it is PRQ. It is 180, it is 180. Subtract the equation. Minus, minus, minus. Cancel, cancel. What will left? Angle PQS minus PRT is equal to 0. PRT will go this side, so PQS is equal to PRT. Okay? Now the last question. Given x plus y is equal to w plus z, what I have to prove? X plus y is equal to 180 or AOB is a line. It is a AOB is a line. Might be it is given, but x plus y is equal to 180 we have to prove. Now, see the complete angle. Will be 360. So w plus x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360, sum of all angles. It is given x plus y is equal to w plus z. On place of w plus z, put x plus y. I put it. 2x हो जाएगा, 2y, 2x plus 2 is equal to 360. 2 will be common. 360 upon 2. X plus y is equal to 180. Hence proved. Now the easiest question. Now go through with the demonstration of angles and draw those angles in your fair notebook. After drawing the mind map and do these all 4 questions. God bless you all of you.